This video is about a hard drive which is not working correctly and made some very strange noises in the process. As a result of this problem, the computer is unable to get past BIOS. The drive is a Western Digital Protégé WD200. I now have an AT-API error come up. See what happens now. The graphics card fan is also very noisy. By the way, this is not the boot drive. It is slow to boot up on the other drive. They're not usually this slow. Here we go. Still squeaking away. The main hard drive is noisy, but it runs fine, and I will hopefully be able to show some smart data. Just at this moment in time, this drive has stopped making the noise. In fact, I can't hear enough from it at all. Get the keyboard. Show up anyway. I've highlighted my computer. See what happens. Well, I don't know how you can see this, but it isn't there. Speed run, see what it says. But definitely cannot hear that hard drive. This will take time. Nope. Found the main drive, but not the 20GB one. Well, there we have it. Hopefully